Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Scarlett here. And sorry that I've been not posting in a really long time. So my dad found something in the loft, and so I designed my makeup table again. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. This is the thing that my dad got me from the loft. This is what's inside. I put inside. So there's this that I got. I've got these like eyeshadow. Got some lip glosses. And for your cheeks. And when we put this back, I'm going to take that out first. I put all my brushes, big brushes, medium brushes there. Then we got the eyebrow and eyelashes thing. Got the small brushes in there. Got the big brushes there. This one is really soft. Then we got that there. That's usually that there from there. Then we got this. If you haven't watched the unboxing for that, please go check it out. I made this. I did this. We got this. Got that. We got those. Those are usually there. That thing. This thing was usually up there. There's all my nail polishes and all that stuff. When we close all that up, if we go into this drawer, we got a blender. This inside is like a mini mirror to bring around. And we've got some more mini brushes. And also guys, I'm doing this on my own. My mom is doing something else. Let's go. Okay, so if you move this out of the way, we got another drawer here. If we open it, we got lip gloss. We got another lip glosses. 3 lip glosses. Then some eyeshadow. Then this to do your nails, to put your fingers in. This to nail. This to nailify them. And then we got some earrings, a ring, and the other piece of the earring. This is the ring. These are part of a set that I got from Amazon. Then we got some blusher and eyeshadow and some more eyeshadow. Let me just put that back, guys, so I don't mess what I did. Okay, guys, almost finished. Put those back. Please watch the unboxing, and also please like, subscribe. Please like and subscribe, and maybe check out some of my other videos, makeup videos, but this video I'm just showing you, and maybe in a little bit, maybe on my next video, maybe we'll do another video with only me, and I'll use That, same as that, and that.